How to register Bolt driver. Hey everyone, and let's get started. If you want to register as a Bolt driver on your Bolt driver's account, first of all go to the Play Store or App Store and get the application installed on the device. Once installed, tap on the open button. If you already have an account, you can tap on login button and log in. If not and you want to register, tap on sign up option, which will open another view. From here, you can see different options of why Bolt drivers, application and accounts. In order to get logged in, you have to tap on Apply to Drive, and here are the form fields that you need to fill up. The form fields include information regarding your phone number, your email address, and the city where you will drive. Once you have given all of these details, you'll receive a OTP on your mobile number. Verify it, and then you'll be taken to another page whereby you have to give your additional information and set up the credentials. And once your account is verified with the necessary documents, you should get to be logged in and registered as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.